8 amazing health benefits of eating garlic and honey. Ready to turn your mornings into a wellness adventure? I've got just the thing for you: garlic and honey. These two kitchen staples can work wonders for your health. Some health aficionados even suggest that having garlic and honey before eating anything else may help increase absorption and maximize the benefits. The practice is safe for most people and easy to add to your daily routine. Let's just dive right into the amazing health benefits of this simple yet potent morning ritual. Number 1. Immune-boosting effects. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfuric compound that has potent antiviral and antibacterial properties, and raw honey is a rich source of antioxidants and enzymes. These natural compounds contribute to the body's ability to fend off infections and maintain a robust defense against external threats. Moreover, the combined antimicrobial properties of honey and garlic can aid in soothing sore throats and alleviating respiratory issues, providing an additional layer of protection for your immune health. By intertwining the immune-strengthening attributes of garlic and honey, you create a morning elixir that primes your body to face the day with resilience and vigor. Number 2. Improved digestion. As you break your overnight fast, kickstarting your digestive system is crucial for a day of optimal functioning. Taking garlic and honey first thing in the morning can help this process in a couple of ways. For starters, garlic stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in the breakdown of food in the stomach. Concurrently, honey lends its soothing touch to the digestive tract, alleviating irritation and promoting a harmonious digestive environment. This dynamic duo can help prevent indigestion, bloating, and other digestive issues. Number 3. Enhanced brain health and memory. If you're looking to give your brain a morning boost, garlic and honey are your allies. Garlic contains antioxidants that help protect the brain from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. And honey provides a steady supply of glucose to the brain, enhancing cognitive function and memory. Together, they form a brain-boosting solution that sets the stage for a day of mental clarity and focus. Number 4. Energy boost. Feeling sluggish in the morning? Garlic and honey can get you moving. Garlic improves blood circulation, ensuring that your body receives an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients. Honey, with its natural sugars, serves as a quick energy source. The combination of these two ingredients provides a natural energy boost, helping you start your day with vitality and enthusiasm. Number 5. Detoxify heavy metals. In our modern world, we're exposed to various environmental pollutants, including heavy metals. Garlic's detoxifying properties merge perfectly with honey's cleansing touch. Starting your day with garlic and honey can aid in flushing out these harmful substances, promoting a cleaner, healthier internal environment. Number 6. Improved heart health. Your heart will thank you for adopting the garlic and honey morning ritual. Garlic has been linked to a reduction in cholesterol levels and blood pressure, contributing to overall heart health. Honey, with its anti-inflammatory properties, complements garlic by supporting cardiovascular function. Combined, they form a heart-healthy duo that can reduce the risk of heart disease. Number 7. Weight management. For those on a journey to shed a few pounds, adding garlic and honey to your morning routine can support your efforts. Garlic boosts metabolism and helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing cravings for sugary snacks. Honey, with its natural sweetness, can satisfy your sweet tooth without the empty calories. This combination can aid in weight management when added to a balanced diet and active lifestyle. Number 8. Improved skin health. Your skin reflects your internal health, and garlic and honey can work wonders for a radiant complexion. Garlic's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can help combat acne and other skin conditions. Additionally, garlic increases blood circulation. This delivers more oxygen and nutrients to the skin, supporting collagen production and healthy cell turnover. And honey, with its moisturizing and healing properties, enhances skin texture and promotes a healthy glow. Adding them to your morning routine can be a great way to boost your skin health from within. Now, to prepare this health-boosting concoction, simply break apart 3 or 4 garlic heads into individual cloves. Place them in a small jar and add 1 cup of raw honey. You can also chop the garlic into smaller pieces if you'd like. Mix until the garlic is completely coated. Seal the jar and let the mixture infuse for a few days. For optimal results, take a spoonful of this combo on an empty stomach in the morning. Alternatively, you can consume a fresh clove of chopped garlic paired with a spoon of raw honey. While the benefits of garlic and honey are substantial, it is essential to be aware of potential side effects. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort, heartburn, or allergic reactions. If you have specific health conditions or are taking medications, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before adopting this morning ritual. Thank you for watching. If you found this video to be informative, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family, as it helps us produce more valuable content. To stay up to date with our latest videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on any future content.